Ooh. Got my son here helping me move. All my stuff. Well, it ain't all my stuff, but majority of the stuff. What's up, chica? Y'all ready to go? Because we got to go pick up this order from Walmart.
Do you want your phone? You're up. Let me get my English out. Do you want your fan on here?
Yeah, you can bring it.
Do you want it wrapped up or something?
No, he'll strap it down.
Okay.
Moving it. Gotta go to Walmart and pick up an order because I had to buy a TV because the TV that I had that's gonna go in my living room, it broke. So I had to order that and so. Okay, this how I'm looking so far. I'm gonna go to Walmart because this railing is missing some things. So I'm just gonna buy a queen size frame and I know I can hook my headboard and my footboard to it and I ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah, this is everything in my room. I put my other little chair over there in the corner. It attaches to my my couch. I gotta put that rug down. And this is the bed. It came in the box. I bought it off of Amazon. It inflated pretty good. It's soft. But I also got a mattress topper to go with it. And this is my living room. The connecting chair is in my room because I ain't had no room for it. It was gonna be awkward. I could have really connected, but I'm thinking about put this couch on that wall. And this is all the other stuff. It's a mess. I'm gonna get it together. I had picked up my order from Walmart, which had my TV and stuff in it. My TV is in the bathroom right now. This TV going on this wall. Let's see. And then the girls' bed and their TV got to be hung up. So right now we are just washing some towels and stuff that the kids had used. And that rug going back to the other house because I ain't like it. I bought that off of Amazon too. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Walmart, buy this bed frame, come back because I am tired. Okay, so this is what I have set up so far. Right now I'm just relaxing, I'm cooking dinner, and I got my furniture put up. I had bought my rug, put my table up, and my TV put up. I need to put that up on the wall, but I might put that in my room. This how it looks. That's going on the floor. I just set that up there for now. No bases. And let me get up. Show you my room. I'm gonna get another view of the living room. I put my curtains up. It's coming right along. Right now I'm washing and I am cooking. So this how it looks. Like I said, I'm in there cooking. In my room. My curtains. I got my little moo-moo on the bed because I'm about to jump in the shower. Got my TV. Yup. This is how everything is looking so far. I am loving it. It's not, fancy or nothing like that, but it's just right. And this is my sink. Excuse this over here because I'm gonna change out my shower head, but this is how it's looking. My bathroom. I ordered those rugs off of Amazon and I just put these two over here. I had to order this off of Amazon. It's 84 feet long or 84 inches. That's not feet because it wasn't long enough. And of course I got my duty belt to work. But yeah, this how it's looking so far. I'm loving it. I'm so at peace, relaxing. I'm gonna take a peek at the girls' bathroom. And this is their bathroom. This is my daughter's. in their rooms. They got their beds in there. So yeah. Oh, and then I don't know if I showed if I put my patio stuff out, but I did. It might be too bright to see it. Yeah, this is my patio. It's a little warm outside. It's hot. So yeah. And I gotta put these pictures up. I'm gonna get some command strips to get my pictures done. That's how we looking. I'm not looking rough because I've just been in here just putting up everything, straightening up stuff. I ain't done nothing, no lashes, no nails, no nothing, no hair, no nothing. But I am because I gotta work this weekend, so I really want to get myself together for that. But right now, I'm at peace. I'm happy. Kids are happy. Right now, my other daughter, she's at work. I gotta go get ready to go get her. She gets off at 8. I think right now it's like 6 something. 6:37. I'm gonna finish up cooking, go get her, and come back, relax and chill. So I just wanted to come on right quick just to show so far what I have done in my new apartment. And I'm happy, y'all. That lighting. I'm good. I'm good. This is what I needed. So, yep. I will come back on probably later on because I'm probably gonna go outside and sit on the porch. That sun can't see me, so I'll come back on later. I'm sitting on the porch enjoying this beautiful day. And y'all see my view, which is not really a view. Okay, y'all, this is the view. Like I said, it's not really much of a view, but today I plan on just getting myself together, getting dressed, getting out that door. I have some errands to run, and I'm probably going to stop by Ross and Burlington just to see what they have, and then just have lunch with my daughter today. Alright, so I'm finna eat I'm gonna say it ain't my dinner, so it's my lunch because I think it's like, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 1:48 p.m.
It's 1:48. So this is what I'm having. I haven't too long got up and wanted to eat. So I'm finna eat my food, and that is some turnip greens. I love onions and tomatoes on my greens. Some fried chicken and macaroni and cheese, y'all. A movie right quick, and just relax and prepare for work tonight. Yep, because today is my Friday, and actually today is Sunday. It has been raining, y'all, all morning, pouring down. It just got through pouring down not too long ago. So when I'm done eating, I may go outside and sit on my balcony. Y'all can see that's my balcony over there. Let me zoom out a little bit. Sit on my balcony and just, enjoy the weather. Okay, I'll come back on shortly. Alright, y'all, I'm just coming on real quick. Today is June the 19th. Happy June 19th. I just got off from work. Probably about, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:12 a.m.
About an hour ago. Got off from work. I actually left my job about 10 minutes after 6. It takes me about 20 minutes to get home, or 20, 30 minutes to get home. But anyway, I am home, and I'm fixing me some breakfast this morning. I just want to come on real quick, just to chit chat and tell you guys that everything is still going good. I love my apartment. Yeah, so everything is good. I just been working, and right now I am fixing me some breakfast. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna sit y'all because I don't have my stand. And I put me some bacon in the oven, and I'm gonna do some grits and eggs and a toast. And then I got some clothes I need to fold up because I washed yesterday and I didn't fold the clothes up because I went back to sleep. So I'm gonna do that before I actually lay down. So I'm trying to see where I'm gonna sit y'all. So I'm gonna sit y'all right here for now. I'm gonna go get my cardigan. I'll be right back. So I'm putting on my cardigan because I got my little nightgown on. So I hope y'all can hear me. So, yep. Things going good. And like I said, I've been working. Just going to work. Coming home. Sitting and chilling in my apartment. Enjoying my space. The space that I paid for. Yeah. Yeah, that's all that's been going on. I'm packed majority of my stuff. I've been in here now going on. I think, how long have I been here? I moved in at 26. Today, June 19th, so it's going on a month. So, and I haven't hung up any of my pictures or anything like that, so I need to get that done. I need to go and get some command strips, because I think it's what I'm going to use to hang up my pictures Friday. I got to work this whole weekend and I'm off Monday, so I might just go Monday. I'm going to order another shower curtain off of Amazon. And what else I need to do? I need to go house shopping as far as like supplies. I'm going to do that Monday too. I could just put an order on Walmart. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's all that's been going on. Love sitting out on my balcony, y'all, especially like when it rains. It's been raining lately, and how wide the balcony is, the rain, it don't come like where the chairs is, so I can just sit out there and relax with a little drink or two. All right, y'all, so I'll come back on when I have something else to show. I don't know, but anyway, I'll be back on in a little bit. Okay, so this is the final product. I got my toast, bacon, grits, and eggs. So I'm about to eat this. And then I'm going to fold up these clothes before I lay it down, because I do have to go to work tonight. Yep, so I'm about to eat my breakfast. And then I'm gonna figure out what I'm going to fix tonight for dinner. And then whatever I fix, I'll just come back on at that time. Okay, y'all, so today is Monday. I didn't get to end that vlog the other day, so today is a new day. I'm off today. I decided to go ahead and get up, get dressed, and do my hair, do a little 1-2 on my face, and head out the door. I just have some errands I need to run today. Not too much because it's so hot outside, and I'm going to fly back in the house because I can't take this heat. So it's so hot. I'm gonna fly in the house. Loud motorcycle.
It's still not done.
No, it's slow as.
What did you put in there?
I ain't even put that much.
How much did you put in there?
25. It's hot as hell today. Gonna fly back in the house real quick.